Yeah, okay. We come to the very beautiful picturesque scene. Bam, there it is. Okay. There we go. Okay, yet again. Across the river, dot in the center, that's a great blue heron. If you want to send me a telephoto lens, just try and capture a better view of it. I'm more than willing to try one and send it back to you. Or keep it and pretend like I lost it during the footage. I know, huh? We're gonna wait. This thing's gonna fly. I'll tell you what.
God.
I'll tell you what. I'll make a deal. If anybody sends me a telephoto lens, I will set until batteries, maybe a stack of batteries. We'll get it flying. It leaves eventually. I mean, you come back a couple hours later, it's gone. Maybe set up a camera. It'll watch it for days. I'm kidding. I'm gonna try and get to it. There it is. Yeah. With the boats. Oh, see, that's pretty. Why doesn't it fucking land over there? Then it'd be like, ooh, look. No, watch.
It's still kind of ooh, look.
Well, yeah, but not like fucking. Oh.
That's by a house, though.
Okay, there, no house.
Your door.
I know. There's a great blue heron.
I just saw something that was on the water by the great blue heron, and then it went under the water. It was a small something. I don't know what it was.
I'm gonna try to get another angle on him. Oh, I got a pretty good shot right here. Once again, if I had a telephoto, no, I'm kidding. I'm like doing the whole send me a telephoto lens routine. Which I know it's a joke, but I'd use one. Only for this, like, endangered species only. You can come over here and follow. Do your thing. Do your thing.
That's neat.
It is. It's just sitting there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm panning back and forth. All security camera style.
My guess is he has no plans on going anywhere for quite
I
some
ain't
time.
gonna do nothing.
We saw him just land, so we know he's not going anywhere for a bit.
No, but I'd be willing to. If you send me a telephoto lens, I'd sit here until he flew. I keep saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Wishful thinking.
Well, I'd still, irregardless of whether fucking someone sent one or I had one, I'd do the same thing. But
Yeah, true.
anyway, there's a fucking the proper way to observe nature.
Here we are, naturing as we're getting drizzled
Yes,
on.
the far side of nature. It's pretty though. That's a good shot right there with the boat and the bird on one end. Man versus nature kind of. Yeah. Oh well. Have a nice day.